Okay, we're back at the undisclosed location in Millis. This is going to be that 44-unit subdivision. We haven't posted on any updates because there hasn't been anything significant. They were mostly working on wiring and some of the systems, which isn't very fun to talk about. But they did have the sheetrock done, so I thought we would give you a quick updated tour, as well as the subdivision itself is actually making some progress. As you can see, they actually have the road being prepped and they got the gravel down. The next thing is to just lay down the asphalt. So I'll take you inside right now and we'll have a look around. So here we are. This is through the front entryway. And it comes into the open like living room, family rooms, that area. And as you can see, windows are in. I think windows were in last time, but now actually the ceilings, sheetrock, the walls are sheetrock. This is going to be the dining area. Over there is the kitchen. We've got a nice little deck off the back here. Even the walls going down to the basement are finished. This, I'm not sure if they're calling this a dining room, like an official dining room, or if it's just going to be a living room, or what the case is, but extra living space. Coming over here, we've got the two-car garage. And then this is going to be like a little powder room, half bath, and then you've got a coat closet here. And now we'll head upstairs and I'll show you the second floor. Now we're up on the second floor. I'll just give you a quick look into the 3 bedrooms and then the master bedroom. So this is one of the bedrooms. I don't know how they numbered them, but we'll call this bedroom 1. Nice big long closet over there. I think this is kind of like a mirror image. This bedroom here, yeah, same thing. Got the closet there, pretty good size. Then I'll take you down the hallway a little bit. Got a nice laundry room here. Over to the right, if you remember, this is just kind of an extra large, almost like a foyer, because I'm not a foyer, loft area, because that around the corner leads up to the walk-up attic. Off to the left is the full bath for upstairs. This here is the 3rd bedroom. Similar size and style closet. And then I'll take you over to the master bed. So this is kind of like the beginning of the master suite. Over here is going to be the dual vanity. This is the full bathroom, the master bath, stand-up shower, linen closet, commode, and then I'll just show you the walk-in closet, I think it is. Let me see if I remember correctly. Yep, pretty good sized walk-in closet. And then you have a large, spacious master bath. So that pretty much concludes the tour. Like I said, I just wanted to go through quick. Now you can kind of visualize it a little better. Before it was just to the studs and it was insulated, but that was about it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like, follow, share, all of those good things, or just feel free to reach out directly if you have any questions. Take care, guys.